Hello everyone, my name is Alhasan from Alhasan Tech Tips. As you seen my computer right now is stopped with load. Okay, today we are doing a tutorial on how to start your own HTML. Everybody knows that HTML is easy and hard software. So if you just want to get started, connect your laptop to an internet source. Open your preferred browser, anyone you want, then type brackets that I can type brackets or brackets.io as you send. It might not be secure. You download the latest version of brackets. When you've downloaded that, just go to your PC, set it up, but I've already set it up, and we tap the brackets and it's loading, so you will wait for it to load. When it's loading right now, you've seen. Today we are going to just learn how to do a basic text project in brackets. Firstly, you just press Ctrl N or you press New, then we press Ctrl S or you press Save. If you are using Mac, I don't know the shortcuts for Mac, but when I just put it in the desktop, I put it as .html. You can't do anything without the HTML. So when it's already ready, the first thing you do is to open your HTML tag, HTML, and when you close it, it helps you to close it. Then you just press enter. Then the next tag, the next most important tag we're learning today is going to be the title tag. But before the title tag is header, and the header tag is mostly for header tag. Then in between that is title tag, and check this, and it gives us the, and this is just going to be first.html. So when we're done typing the first.html, press enter. We now have the body tag. But in the body tag, we can only put two things there. And this body tag, you can do so many things with the body tag. But right now, I'm just going to do it as simple and easy style. Just put P, nothing else. I also try. But don't just press enter for this. It's okay like this. Then we type welcome to first.html and thank you for opening this web page, and please subscribe. And after you're done with that, you just press your save again. Then we tap here, you do showing file tree. Mistake. And we just tap this. But if you want, I'm just going to use Google Chrome because some systems don't have Microsoft Edge, but you can use Brave. But I just prefer Chrome. But today I'm using Brave. Okay, it's opening Brave. And if you know that, I will tell you a good thing about this is that Brave is a good browser. They didn't tell me I should sponsor this video, but I just want to tell you, Brave blocks ads. You see? I don't want that. I just don't care about this. Welcome to first.html, and that's a mistake. That is a grammatical error mistake. Thank you for opening this web page, and please subscribe. That is the beginning of the website that will continue to upgrade and make it better. So subscribe for more. And this video is for kids, so if you have any kids that wants to learn how to program HTML or you just want to keep them busy, tell them to enroll in our new course, and we'll have a class link below on the third or fourth HTML project. And we're gonna do so many variety projects, not only HTML. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video, and tell any child age 5 to 14, and this video is for them. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.